If you think you know everything about the BMW E90, think again. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 facts that even hardcore BMW fans often miss. Let's go. Number 1. Run-flat tires changed the game. The E90 was the first 3 Series to come factory-equipped with run-flat tires. BMW removed the spare tire completely, saving weight and freeing up trunk space. The downside? A firmer ride that split opinions instantly. Love them or hate them, this move changed modern BMW design forever. Number 2. Your key is smarter than you think. That E90 key fob isn't just a remote. It stores driver-specific settings like mirrors and climate preferences. Even crazier, it can store fault data to help technicians diagnose issues faster. It's basically a tiny computer in your pocket. Number 3. The 335i engine was a tuning monster. The N54 twin-turbo inline-6 wasn't just powerful, it was overbuilt. Forged internals, strong block, huge boost potential. That's why tuners compare it to the legendary Supra 2JZ. BMW never advertised it, but the aftermarket figured it out fast. So there it is. Run flats, a genius key fob, a Supra-level engine, and mod-friendly design. The BMW E90 wasn't just a sedan, it was an engineering statement. Comment which facts surprised you most. Like, share, and subscribe for more underrated car knowledge.